Hey there! Welcome to PHPTRAVELS mobile native apps. In this short video, you will learn how to automate your travel business using PHPTRAVELS products, especially mobile applications. Our mobile app boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface, ensuring that both your travel agents and clients can navigate seamlessly. The carefully crafted design enhances the overall booking experience, making it a joy for users to interact with the app. Witness the power of real-time synchronization between PHPTRAVELS mobile app and web application to stay in sync with the latest updates. Ensuring your clients receive instant data through your website and database to ensure the real-time availability of travel, inventory and plus bookings. Application has all the best and available features. For example, featured travel services such as flights, hotels, tours, and cars. They can change the languages or currencies and filter results and make bookings, then make payments. They can also manage user wallet balance or profile within mobile application and do more. To install and test and demo application, simply navigate to Google Play Store and search for PHPTRAVELS application. Once you get the app, click on Install, and when it is installed, just open the application and browse the app its features to understand how it can help you in your travel business. So what are you waiting for? To get started, simply visit www.phptravels.com and let us help you to digitize and automate your travel business today.